In today's lecture, we will discuss some important phrasal verbs. Part 2. Bring up. It means to raise a topic or subject for discussion. She brought up the issue of sustainability during the meeting. Get along. To have a harmonious or cooperative relationship with someone. Despite their differences, they manage to get along well at work. Go over. It means to review or examine something carefully. Let's go over the details of the plan one more time before we finalize it. Keep up. It means to maintain the same pace or level as others. She finds it hard to keep up with the latest technology trends. Look for. It means to search or seek something. I am looking for my keys. Have you seen them anywhere? Run out. It means to deplete the supply of something. We have run out of milk. We need to buy more. Set up. It means to arrange or organize something. They set up a meeting to discuss the new projects. Back up. It means to support or assist someone. I will back you up if you need help with the presentation. Carry on. Carry on means to continue doing something. Despite the setbacks, they decided to carry on with the project. Run into. It means to unexpectedly meet someone, usually by chance. I ran into an old friend from college at the bookstore yesterday. Turn out. It means to result in a particular way. Despite the setbacks, everything turned out well in the end. Hang up. It means to end a phone call by putting the receiver back in its place. I will hang up now and call you back later. Point out. It means to draw attention to or highlight something. She pointed out the typo in the report during the meeting. Pay off. Payoff means to yield positive result or rewards. Their hard work paid off when they won the competition. Take up. It means to begin or start a hobby, activity, or cause. She decided to take up painting as a hobby. Find out. It means to discover or learn something new or previously unknown. I found out that my favorite band is coming to town next month. Thank you. Thank you for watching.